Boost conversions with proven and effective copywriting strategies today. Have you ever poured your heart and soul into a website, an ad campaign, or an email sequence only to hear crickets? Frustrating, isn't it? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into proven copywriting strategies that can supercharge your conversion rates and take your email marketing and lead generation efforts to the next level. Stick around because these tips have the power to transform your results. Let's face it, without effective copy, even the best designed website or the flashiest ad can fall flat. Imagine spending countless hours and resources on creating a visually stunning website or a high-budget ad campaign, only to see minimal engagement and poor conversion rates. It's frustrating, right? The truth is, no matter how aesthetically pleasing your digital presence is, if the words don't resonate with your audience, all your efforts can go to waste. Why? Because words are what connect us. They are the medium through which we communicate our ideas, emotions, and intentions. In the world of business, words are the glue that binds a brand to its audience. They create a narrative that people can relate to, trust, and ultimately act upon. Words persuade, inspire, and most importantly, drive action. Think about the last time you were moved to make a purchase or sign up for a service. Chances are it was the compelling copy that nudged you over the edge. Whether it's a powerful headline, an engaging story, or a persuasive call to action, the right words can make all the difference. If you're wondering, what exactly is copywriting? It's simply the art of writing words that sell, whether that's selling a product, an idea, or even a click. Copywriting is not just about stringing words together. It's about understanding your audience's needs, desires, and pain points, and crafting a message that speaks directly to them. It's about creating a connection that feels personal and genuine. Did you know that improving your copy can increase your conversion rate by up to 113%? That's a staggering figure, but it's entirely achievable. By refining your messaging, you can turn casual visitors into loyal customers. It's about making every word count and ensuring that your message is clear, concise, and compelling. Yep, just by tweaking your messaging. Small changes can lead to big results. Maybe it's reworking your headlines to be more attention-grabbing, or perhaps it's refining your product descriptions to highlight the benefits more effectively. Even adjusting the tone and style of your copy to better match your brand's voice can have a significant impact. Think of your copy as the bridge between your business and your customer's wallet. It's the pathway that guides them from interest to action. A well-crafted copy can make this journey smooth and effortless, while a poorly written one can create obstacles and confusion. If that bridge is shaky or unclear, they won't cross it. Imagine trying to navigate a rickety old bridge with missing planks and unclear signs. You'd probably turn back, right? The same goes for your customers. If your copy is confusing, vague, or unconvincing, they'll hesitate to take the next step. But when your copy is clear, engaging, and persuasive, it builds trust and confidence, encouraging them to move forward. Great copywriting is like telling a captivating story. It draws people in, keeps them engaged, and leaves a lasting impression. It's about more than just selling a product. It's about creating an experience that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. When done right, copywriting can transform your brand's narrative and make it unforgettable. So, how do you master the art of copywriting? It starts with understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? What problems are they trying to solve? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your message to speak directly to them. It's also important to keep your copy simple and straightforward. Avoid jargon and complex language that can confuse or alienate your readers. Instead, focus on clarity and simplicity. Another key aspect of effective copywriting is revision. Your first draft is rarely perfect. Take the time to review and refine your copy, making sure every word serves a purpose. Cut out any fluff or unnecessary details that don't add value to your message. And don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Sometimes a small tweak can make a big difference. Finally, always keep your end goal in mind. Whether you're trying to drive sales, generate leads, or build brand awareness, your copy should be aligned with your objectives. Keep your call to action clear and compelling, and make it easy for your audience to take the next step. Remember, the ultimate goal of copywriting is to drive action, so make sure your message is designed to do just that. In conclusion, copywriting is the secret sauce of conversions. It's the key to turning your website visitors into loyal customers and your ad viewers into engaged followers. By mastering the art of copywriting, you can create a powerful connection with your audience and drive meaningful results for your business. So invest the time and effort into crafting compelling copy and watch your conversions soar. Now let's talk about the mistakes that many businesses make without even realizing it. These mistakes can be subtle but have a significant impact on your conversion rates. Understanding and avoiding them can make a world of difference in your marketing efforts. Your audience doesn't want to leverage scalable solutions, they want you to solve their problems in plain language. Using jargon and buzzwords can alienate your audience. Instead, focus on clear, straightforward language that speaks directly to their needs and concerns. Long paragraphs are like walls of text that people don't want to climb. When your copy is too dense, it becomes overwhelming and uninviting. Break up your text into shorter paragraphs, use bullet points, and include subheadings to make it more digestible. Keep it short, snappy, and easy to skim. This one's a biggie. People are busy and have short attention spans. They want to get the information they need quickly and move on. Make sure your key points stand out and are easy to find. If your copy doesn't address what your audience is struggling with, they won't feel compelled to act. You need to understand their pain points and offer solutions that resonate with them. This means doing your research and really getting to know your target audience. Conduct surveys, read reviews, and engage with your audience on social media to gather insights. The more you know about their challenges and desires, the better you can tailor your copy to meet their needs. Another common mistake is not having a clear call to action. Your audience needs to know exactly what you want them to do next. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting you for more information, your call to action should be clear and compelling. Use action-oriented language and create a sense of urgency. Phrases like "get started today, don't miss out," or "limited time offer" can motivate your audience to take action. Finally, always test and refine your copy. What works for one audience may not work for another. A/B testing different versions of your copy can help you determine what resonates best with your audience and improve your conversion rates over time. Remember, effective copywriting is about connecting with your audience on a personal level. By avoiding these common mistakes and focusing on clear, concise, and compelling language, you can create copy that not only captures attention, but also drives conversions. So take a step back, review your copy, and make the necessary adjustments. Your audience and your bottom line will thank you. Effective copywriting starts with understanding who you're talking to. Here's how to nail it. Step 1, build buyer personas. Step 2, speak their language. Browse forums, social media, and customer reviews to see how your audience actually talks. Step 3, solve their problems. Your copy should scream, "I understand you." With an attention span shorter than a goldfish, your audience decides within seconds if they'll stick around. That's why your headlines are everything. Pro tip, use power words like discover, unlock, instant, and proven to grab attention. People buy based on emotions and justify with logic. This is copywriting 101. It's a fundamental principle that every marketer and copywriter should understand. When you tap into the emotional core of your audience, you create a connection that goes beyond the product or service you're offering. This connection is what drives conversions and builds brand loyalty. The key is tapping into emotions like fear, desire, trust, and urgency. Fear can be a powerful motivator. Think about the fear of missing out, or FOMO. Desire is another strong emotion. People desire to improve their lives, to be happier, healthier, or more successful. Trust is crucial. Without it, no one will buy from you. And urgency compels people to act quickly, making them less likely to procrastinate. Only 5 spots left. Sign up now. This creates a sense of urgency and scarcity, making people feel like they need to act immediately or risk missing out. Limited time offers, countdown timers, and exclusive deals are all effective ways to create this sense of urgency. Over 10,000 happy customers can't be wrong. Social proof is another emotional trigger that can significantly boost conversions. When people see that others have had positive experiences with your product or service, they are more likely to trust you and make a purchase themselves. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies are all powerful forms of social proof. Finally, a solution to their pain point. Identifying and addressing your audience's pain points is essential. When you show that you understand their problems and offer a solution, you create a strong, emotional connection. This makes your audience feel heard and valued, increasing the likelihood that they will choose your product or service. Remember, your audience doesn't want features, they want results. Instead of listing out the features of your product, focus on the benefits and the results that your audience will experience. Show them how your product can transform their lives, solve their problems, or make things easier for them. So, instead of saying, "Our product has 24/7 support," say, "Never feel stuck again, our team is here 24/7. This shifts the focus from a feature to a benefit, making it more relatable and emotionally engaging for your audience. By tapping into these emotional triggers, you can create compelling copy that not only captures attention, but also drives action and converts like crazy. Stories sell, period. Why? Because humans are wired to connect with narratives. Let's break this down into 3 steps. Start with a relatable problem. Paint a picture of the challenges your audience faces. This hooks them emotionally. Introduce the solution. Position your product or service as the hero that saves the day. Show the transformation. Let your audience imagine themselves achieving their goals. Feeling inspired? Here are a few quick wins to apply to your copy right now. Use bullet points for readability. Add a clear call to action on every page. A/B test your headlines and email subject lines. Focus on benefits, not just features. That's it for today's video on boosting conversions with proven copywriting strategies. If you're serious about improving your website's performance, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on mastering your mindset to boost productivity. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. What's one copywriting tip you swear by? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy writing.